viewers, the best platform for learning coding. Today, I am going to introduce you about the Python indentation. Actually, what is Python indentation mean? Python indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of the code. This means that before writing a block of code, there must be at least one space to the block of code, where in other programming languages, the indentation in code is for readability only. Let's take an example as CSS. CSS there indentation is not required, but in Python indentation must be for a block of code. Now let's see an example of indentation of code. See, the code is 5 is greater than 2. Here is an indentation before the print. The result gives exactly. Now let's see the result. See, the result is 5 is greater than 2 because the result came correct because of we mentioned the indentation. Now let's skip the indentation and see the example. See, here I skip the indentation and the result gives that indentation error. In Python, the indentation is very important. The number of spaces is up to you. You can use any number of spaces, but it has to be at least one space. Now, you may get a doubt. Can we use this number of spaces in the same block of code? Yeah, your doubt is correct. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code. Otherwise, you will get an Python error. See, now let's see an example with two codes in the same block. See, there are two codes in the same block, but there are not equal number of space indentations. Means that I mean that spaces. See, here is an one indentation, here two indentations. Now, when we run this code, that shows an error. See, indentation error, indentation 2 error.py, line number 3. This is the line number 3. There is an two indentations. It's showing that. See, indentation is very important in Python. So never forget to mention the indentation in the Python, and you must, if you take the two codes in the same block, there must be equal number of indentation. If you keep one indentation as one and another line, if you keep two indentations, there shows an error. So we should keep the same number of indentation in the same block of code, and there must be a indentation for a Python block of code. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe.